Bruh, look how many Heat mystery boxes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bruh, this is about to be a vibe. We actually need 2 chairs for this video. Can you hurry up? I see you come prepared.
The brush.
What is going on, guys? It is your boy Ari Petru, UK's biggest hype beast, and I am here with...
No! See, I don't like when you do this.
And I am here with...
Natalie?
Sexy Natalie. Anyways, today is a bit of a different video.
And we got Pablito.
Yeah, we got our child, Pablito. Everyone make sure you go and follow Pablito on Instagram, the most fire sausage dog in the game. Aren't you, my son? As you saw, we have like 5 heat boxes, mystery boxes, whatever you want to call them. We have like $1,000 worth of designer stuff in each box. So what we're going to do today is...
unbox it.
We're going to do a bit of like a mystery box face-off. So I'll open mine one first.
Oh, it's a competition.
Well, I mean...
How's that fair? First of all, you've got 4 boxes. I'll have one.
Pablito! Guys, Pablito's favourite toy right now is my Cause doll. Look what he's done to the tags. He's chewed the life out of them.
No, baby, no.
These are not for you. Sorry. So as you can see, this is a very, very fair mystery box off. I have 4 boxes and Natalie has 1. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to open up 2 and then maybe we can save another 2 for another video if you guys enjoy it. So you pick my 2. Which ones?
Oh, okay. This one and the top one.
Okay, so top one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Oh my god.
And the middle one. And this one. Okay, here we go.
Are you scared?
Oh.
No. No.
Okay guys, so this is a Heat 1,000 pound mystery box. Okay, so here we go. First things first, we have the Heat card at Ari Petru. Obviously that is me. So here we go, guys. Let's see. Okay, so first things first, we have some green off-white socks. These are actually sick. I can definitely use these. They have all the X's down the side. Another item and another item. Okay, here we go. I think we have another off-white item right here. It's an off-white t-shirt. Well, basically, we have like a basic off-white t-shirt, which I can kind of wear like every day. So we've got the socks. We've got an off-white t-shirt. Oh no. I think I know what this is.
Ooh, it's neon.
Yo. Yo. These?
No way.
Oh my god.
Oh, they're fine.
Yo, these are sick. Palm Angels track pants. Yo, these track pants are like 350 pounds. Guys, honestly, this is my favorite item out of the whole box. Some Palm Angels tracksuits. They're like neon, and then they have this blue strip down the side. These go for like 350. Then the t-shirt's like what, 200 retail I think, and then the socks are like 80. So about 600 and something. So that wasn't a bad box. Okay, so for our second box of Heat, our second mystery box, Heaven Sound. Here we go. We have Heron Preston. I've never had any Heron Preston. Oh, I like this. This is like that mock neck type of long sleeve. Yes. Right now it is so cold. Pablito, you're making a bit of noise there, mate. I'm not sure how much this really goes for, honestly. 200 euros this t-shirt is. Second thing we have. What is this? Off-white. No! Yes! Yo, this is so fire. I was actually looking to buy this for my Dubai trip. An off-white towel. This is so sick. It's literally just a white towel, but then it has like that little off-white strip at the bottom. How much is this? This is 300.
For a towel.
300 for a towel, but we got it in our mystery box. I'm super gassed about that, to be honest. That takes our mystery box total up to 500. What else have we got in here? Oh, yo, fire. Another off-white piece. We have an off-white industrial belt, a yellow one.
Classical. This
is like at least 200, so that brings our total up to 800 on this mystery box. And by the way, these mystery boxes are 250 pounds. So from 250 pounds, we've got 200, the towel is 300, and then the mock neck is 200. So we are winning on our £250 investment on our mystery box. This is super fire. I'm actually super gassed about this. We got a belt, a towel, a mock neck.
This box is literally the size of me.
Let's see what Natalie's unboxing skills are like.
I know, I was thinking that. We have something orange.
So, by the way, this is a girl's box. Like, this was actually curated for Natalie.
So we have the Heron Preston tape.
What is this, bruh? This is 80 euros. Bruh. For some tape. What are you actually gonna do?
Wait and see.
Natalie got some Heron Preston tape for 60 something.
Everyone's gonna laugh in the comments at this. They're gonna be like,
you got tape in your
he
one.
gets so
I
upset.
get Off-White.
He gets Palm Angels.
Palm Angels.
And then I get some tape.
Okay, what else have we got?
Oh,
What?
guys. Heaven Sound.
What is that?
So, this is... Oh my god.
Where's the rest of it?
It's sold out.
Where is the rest of it? Bro, I don't understand girl
Strap.
stuff whatsoever. Travelito can keep his things in here more light. Look.
Oh, you look so cute, baby.
How much is this thing?
And it's actually sold out in Selfridges. I was looking for one.
So these things resell and sell out. You can't even put your phone in here.
Yeah, I'm really happy with that, guys. Okay, whoa.
There's Natalie's £400 bag. And then you got the tape.
The tape.
Not bad. So, but I
That's
think
my
my mystery box won. Okay,
Thank
so...
you, Heat. Thank you so much.
Natalie's happy with her mystery box. I'm actually gassed with mine. I got off-white,
really good.
off-white towels, off-white t-shirts, off-white belt, Heron Preston, socks, Palm Angels. Is this another?
Let me open up your other box to make it more interesting. Aaron,
So-
box number 2. No.
No, this
number
is my
3.
box number 3, but I'll let you open it. Come.
Spoil.
Okay, I know what I'm gonna do.
What?
I'm gonna blindfold myself.
Oh, this one's packed. Is that your blindfold?
It's not off-white.
What? Because the tag's not plastic.
Yeah. I don't know. It feels nice and soft.
You're never gonna guess, honestly.
Vetmonts. Oh, that's fire. Okay, I'm closing my eyes again.
Coming now.
Okay, so off-white shorts.
Yeah, because of the tag.
Yeah, the tag.
The tag gives it away.
Let me see. I like these. These are sick. Some
I've never-
off-white
I've never-
shorts. How much are these worth? 340 for these. Just these shorts alone are less than the box itself. So that's fire. We're already winning. Then we have this t-shirt. I'm not exactly sure how much that is. Now I'm going to close my eyes again. How many more items?
I think this is the last. Yeah, this is the last one.
The hell?
What do you think it is?
You're lying. Yo, I need a backpack. Is that... No.
Are you gonna open your eye?
No. Shall I open my eyes now?
Yeah, I think so.
Yo! What a vibe! Yo, we got a Balenciaga backpack. Bro, these are like at least 1,000 just themselves. Yo, I'm gassed. No! Yo, I'm so hyped about this right now. I got a Balenciaga backpack in my 250... No, wait. I got a Balenciaga backpack, Vetmonts t-shirt, and Off-White in my box. My box is way over 1,000, I don't care. Anything Balenciaga is ridiculous. This is at least 600, 700. So fire. Yo, massive shout out to Heat right now. They killed it. I got so much Off-White, Palm Angels, Vetmonts, Balenciaga, Off-White socks.
Woo!
This is crazy. Yo, guys, anyways, comment down below whose mystery box won because...
I mean...
But you got a £400 bag.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Honestly, all I really wanted was this, to be honest.
Yo, guys.
I'm so happy.
Yo, massive shout out to Heat for these designer mystery boxes. All the stuff you see here, you can expect in your mystery boxes. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go to Milano, check out their facilities, how Heat runs, how they get this stuff. But guys, we need to go to Heat's facility right now. They're flying us out to Milan to go and check out their crazy facility that they got there. We're gonna go and check it out. So, Natalie.
Wait. Again.
You're yawning.
Sorry, again. Let's go to Milan.
Boom!
Woo!
Ba 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 ba
Bah, bah. Okay guys, so you've just seen what I've got in my heat box, but Heat have flown me out to Milan to their fulfillment center and where they basically keep all the heat. See what craziness they've got here, show you guys the madness that they've got and what stuff you can expect in your boxes. So let's go through. Well, first of all, this is what your box will kind of look like. So you might get like a jacket, a t-shirt, a little accessory, something like that. That's basically the box that you're gonna get for £250. And there's not many boxes, and I'll go through that a little bit later on. But I just wanna go through all the madness that they've got. They've got so much stuff. Like we've got Off-White, we've got Palm Angels, lots of Palm Angels, different stuff. Just everywhere, lots of different colors, greens, yellows, brown. I actually really like this. These are fire. I really like those Palm Angels. We've got Balenciaga. Let's see what Balenciaga we got here. Oh, we got the Balenciaga socks. These are kind of fire. I think these retail on these are super expensive for a pair of socks. With Heat, you won't be paying that premium price of regular designer goods, because designer goods are super expensive. And honestly, that's why I like to buy Supreme and clothing brands like that, because you can get them at that affordable retail price, and then hopefully, you know, you can resell them on. But with designer, this stuff is super expensive right off the rip, and with Heat, it's not. And as I said, I'll explain that a little bit more later on. But look at this, fam. Off-White towel. This is a must. I've never even seen this before, but I need this in my house somehow. We've got Off-White belts, obviously the industrial belts. They retail, I think, are like nearly £200 now, but again, on Heat, way cheaper. Lots of Off-White bags. Look how many socks they've got. Just non-stop socks everywhere here. That's not it. They've got boxes and crates. So if you're looking for Off-White socks, they've definitely got you covered. Gucci hats, so many Gucci hats. White ones, pink ones. This one's actually really sick. This is like a, I don't know, kind of like a double G mesh. That one's really cool. So you got Balmain t-shirts, lots of those actually. What else have we got? Right here we've got the Off-White like Simpsons collabs, Saint Laurent stuff. These Prada shorts are actually really sick. And then look, this is the Heat bags that you'll get your clothing in. So they come in really nice packages, all packaged up. You've got the tags in there, and then obviously, you know, they're kept nice and safe until they get to you. But let's go around, let's see some more. Oh my God, what's this? Heron Preston stuff. Off-White, this one's fire. Let's see this one right here. I've actually never even seen this hoodie. This is fire with that X on the back. Let's see what's in this Balenciaga bag. Let's see what goodies we've got in here. Oh, damn. So we've got a backpack. Is this a Balenciaga backpack? It is. I wonder how much retail was on this backpack. But as I said, there's so much like variety and everything that they have here. So many jackets up here. In these bins, you just got Off-White for days. Like all of these different Off-White t-shirts. Full winter 19 to 20. Green ones, orange ones. Plenty of hoodies. It's hoodie season right now. It is freezing. I'm out here filming in a jacket. So hoodies, everyone needs hoodies right now. What have we got here? They've even got women's bags and women's stuff as well. There's another one in there. But you get the message. They have a lot of heat and the prices are really good. Like it's crazy, and this idea is so cool. You basically, you pay $250 for this box and you're gonna get like up to $1,000 worth of stuff in your Heat box. So I know I'm gonna get so many questions like, how is this stuff so cheap? It must be fake, or you know, it's not legit, etc. But everything in this room, everything that you see, all the Gucci, all the Off-White, all the Prada, all comes from like authorized retailers or suppliers, and they've got it all in this warehouse ready to send to you guys. Right now there's only gonna be 200 boxes and they're gonna be £250 each, and as I said, you're gonna get like up to $1,000 worth of stuff. But in the future they're gonna do bigger boxes, crazier boxes, and maybe we might even have like an Ari Petru Heat box that you guys can buy, and I'll make it super limited with all my favorite stuff in. Something to bear in mind. As soon as you buy a box, you're literally gonna get your stuff instantly. They literally ship worldwide literally one day, so it's crazy. As soon as you buy it, you're gonna have a lovely surprise pretty much the next day. I know you guys probably want a box at this point, but there are only 200 boxes, and they're going to be dropping on Thursday the 28th on Heat's website. I'll leave the link down below. There'll be a sign up sheet and all of that, so if you want to get like early notifications or whatever, if you want to keep yourself in the loop about the Heat boxes, make sure you do all of that, and make sure you guys secure your own Heat. Anyways, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please smash a like on this video, subscribe as well, click that little notifications bell as well so you never miss a video. Guys, it's been your boy Ari Petru, UK's biggest hypebeast. Peacing out from Milan. Gizam.